Hi there. You are now looking at Genspark AI. Now, Genspark is an agent-based platform. You are going to need to go through the sign-up process in order to complete the task. Genspark will require us to set up an account. We are going to set up an account. We will then confirm your account. That will bring us back to this area and we are going to type in our request. Click Enter. We are then going to allow Genspark AI to go through a multi-step process and multi-utility process. We are then going to say yes to Genspark and Genspark is going to go through the process. Now, in every process that you go through with an agent platform, you are going to be watching multiple processes happening at the same time. This differs from using a chatbot in the regular manner where you enter a query and retrieve some kind of information. In this case, we're retrieving information. We are processing that information and placing it in some kind of output that we have requested. What you're watching on your screen is the process happening in real time. Genspark is not only showing you its thinking, but it is also showing you its operational process. And you will see the process happening in real time once the analysis is complete. Now, we are not going to go through the entire process here in this video. However, you will see that Genspark is creating the slide presentation that we requested. This is not the only multi-utility process that Genspark has, but it is a demonstration on how an agent platform works. Not only does it retrieve information, but it synthesizes information, and then it outputs that information in the form that you request. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.